In the last video, we saw how to delete the rows in a table. Let us now look at how to change the structure of a table. If I run select star command now on the table, we can see that the table has 5 columns and each column has a column name and a column type. Adding or deleting a column or changing this column name or this type or adding constraints is called changing the structure of table. To change the structure of the table, we'll be using alter table command. Let us look at the presentation. So the syntax of this alter command goes like this. We will write alter table and then write the table name and then we will specify the action. Actions can be broadly classified into 3 parts. One will be actions on columns, which will include adding, deleting, modifying, or renaming a column. Or it can be on constraints, which will include adding or deleting a constraint, or you can add or delete an index. Let us first look at how to add or delete a column. To add a column, we will write alter table and the table name, then type add, and then write the column name and then specify the data type of that column name. Let us go to the PG admin interface. Let us write alter table, customer table. This is the table name. Then add. Then what will be the column name? It will be test column. And it contains a varchar type of data. Let us run this command. Query was successful. Let us run the select star command again. You can see at the end of the table, we have a new column called test, and it has that particular data type that we specified, which is variable characters with 255 maximum limit. This is how we added a column in our table. Now let us delete this column using the delete command. Let us look at the syntax first. To delete a column, drop command is used. So we will type alter table, table name, then write drop, and then the column name. We can also write drop column and then specify the column name. Let us try these two variants. Drop test. Let us run this. It was successful. Let us run the select star command again. You can see the last column is now deleted. You can also write drop column and then specify the column name. I'll add the test column again and now I'll delete it again using the drop column command. Just run the select star command again to check. Yes, the test column is deleted. Next, we will look at how to modify a column. What can we change in a column? We can change the data type that column will be containing. So if earlier age is an integer type of column, we can change that data type to variable characters. The syntax for that will be alter table, table name, and then alter column, column name, and then you specify the new data type for that column. Let us go and change the data type of age column from integer to variable characters. alter table, customer table, then alter column, column name, type, then the new type, which will be varchar. Run this command. It was successful. Run the select star command to look at your data. You can see age, which was earlier integer, is now variable character type. Now, if you want to rename any particular column, say for example, we have email ID column here. If you want to rename to customer email, how to do that? Let us look at the syntax. So to rename a column, this is the syntax. Alter table, mention the table name, then rename column. First we'll write the column name, the old column name, then the keyword to, and then you specify the new column name. So let us go and change the name of email ID column. Alter table, table name, then rename column, old column name, then to, new column name. Run this command. It was successful. Let us run the select star command. You can see the column name, which was earlier email ID, is now customer email.